3 things cleaning companies lie to you about so you pay more for less cleaning. If you're over 35, hate cleaning, and you're thinking about hiring a cleaning company, listen to this. Most cleaning companies won't say this out loud, but here are 3 lies that make you spend more. Lie 1. You have to pay for a big deep clean first before you can start recurring services. The translation: pay a big upfront fee before you can become a customer. The benefit to them is this just pulls cash forward, which as a business owner, I get. But it doesn't always fit every customer. With us, you only start with a deep clean upfront if it's what you want because you want that full reset first. If not, our recurring service has the deep cleaning built into it. So it's not just regular cleaning. So we rotate the heavy detail work for your bathrooms, the kitchen, and the rest of your house each visit. Now there are extras like inside oven, inside fridge, windows that you can add on, but that's just because not everybody needs it, and they're usually once a year items. Lie number 2. Weekly cleanings save you more money. Most cleaning companies say, go weekly, and it might be cheaper per visit, but not overall. Example with our pricing. Bi-weekly at $180 a visit, times 26 visits over a year, is $4,680. Most people, if you go weekly, will have 20% off of the bi-weekly. So the discount is $144 per visit. But you're getting twice as many visits, so the total comes out to $7,488. Weekly is not the save you money plan. Weekly is the I have a high traffic home, or I just want my house looking perfect all the time. My only issue with weekly is when the companies try to be deceptive in this way. So if you just want consistent cleaning and to keep costs sane, bi-weekly is going to be the option. We pick the schedule that fits your life and your budget, not the one that makes us the most money. Because at the end of the day, if we're not taking care of you, we don't deserve to be in business. And lie number 3. Everyone we send is fully trained. Fact is, no, they're not. Almost every site says trained professionals. In reality, the training's accelerated and they choose whoever will show up. Here's what trained actually means with us. New cleaners do go by a step-by-step process. They must pass our results standard with us in real homes before they ever clean alone. And they do get ongoing coaching. For us, many will apply, but very few will qualify. So when someone from our company walks into your home, they're not practicing on you. They already know what done right looks like. So if you want a cleaner that deep cleans every visit, gives you the price before they show up, and sends properly trained staff that you don't have to babysit, then DM us clean and we'll get you taken care of.